I was feeling desperate after hearing some news, and then I passed by this water body and kept looking at the flowing water and the green plant underneath. Kept thinking of my memories from Switzerland. Of course, it's not comparable, but it reminded me also with these turquoise rivers and lakes. I kept watching the birds' shadows flying over the water body and reflected by the water surface. It's very relaxing, especially early in the morning at 7 o'clock. Nobody on this side street, allowing me to relax and watch birds and